Hey Team Creative Design, welcome back guys. I am so excited to have you guys joining me for Christmas 2020 decor. Today I'm going to be decorating my fireplace mantle. I have several videos that I'm going to bring to you guys this Christmas season. This is my first time doing Christmas videos since becoming a YouTuber. I'm going to have a video coming to you guys for my stairwell, a few Christmas trees that I did in my home, so I'm so excited to have you guys joining me. I'm actually going to give you a clip at the end of the video where I will share where I found all the items to actually style my fireplace mantle. So please stay tuned and make sure you watch for that. The videos will drop over the course of the next 6 to 7 days as we lead into the Christmas season. I'm so happy to have you guys joining me. Merry Christmas, and let's jump right into the video. I'm styling my mantle. I also did this vignette in my living room for my coffee table, and I wanted to share where these items came from. The reindeer I found at Tuesday morning. I'm not sure you guys will be able to find these, but they did come from Tuesday morning. The Christmas trees I actually found at TJ Maxx. I bought those last year, as well as this candle. The tray also came from TJ Maxx as well. I still see these all of the time. They have them in several sizes. The mantle, as far as the fireplace mantle, most of the ornaments, guys, came from at home. These beautiful flowers came from at home. Most of the ornaments came from at home. Okay guys, so most of the things for my fireplace mantle came from Hobby Lobby. The picks came from Hobby Lobby, as well as these beautiful flowers. The icicles that you see here actually came from at home. The stockings came from at home, as well as the stocking holders. I wanted something really simple this year because I was using Decor up top. This crystal reindeer and the silver reindeer came from TJ Maxx. And I bought a couple of these. The snowflakes actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure you guys have seen these. They've carried them now for about the last 2 years, and they actually light up. There we go. So they light up and change color. I'm not sure if you're able. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned. Look for other videos to come. Merry Christmas, guys, and I will see you in the next video.